Hey everybody, here I am with my second Bella Sephina. You gotta love this box. It's just awesome. It's pretty cool. And then the way she wraps things in here, amazing. So this is the canvas I've already seen. This is the one I did the comparison with when she got the canvas that wasn't the canvas she ordered. Remember all that? So this is the new company. And this is, I know, it's the way she wants it. We've already talked about it. It's the way she wants it. Oh, last one had a little paper in the end to protect it. This one has plastic. She's used plastic from like off some paintings or something. That's pretty funny. This one comes with this pretty pink tissue paper. The other one was green because, well, it went with the theme, right? Everything is so with the theme, you guys. All right. Invoice again. This one is a walk on the moon, which you have seen, but this one will be different. All right. Here it is. I hope you love it as much as I do. It is 100% better. The ABs are gorgeous. There are 4 AB colors. I hope you enjoy your kit and take some time to paint your world beautiful. Love, Sandy. That's her slogan, paint your world beautiful. Here's our certificate of authenticity saying that she purchased all of the pieces that she used to make this. It is completely legally produced. Yeah. I love these. She gives you this little brochure. Gives you all your information. There's the picture. You could keep this. You could put this in a book if you keep a log, whatnot. Here's all the details, what it contains, the custom toolkit, the size. Tells you all about the contents of the toolkit. 1, 2 cover keepers, one more. Oh my gosh, lots of cover keepers. Okay, the trays. I mean, whew, you already saw from the other one. You know. But this one will be different because each and every painting will have a different toolkit customized to that painting. All right, there it is, the toolkit. I like that she's putting it all in this bag. I think the very first time I got one from her, she didn't have them all in one bag, and so she's kind of decided putting them in one bag is a good idea. Now, let's see if I can do this tape better this time. I know it's taped. Let's just, there. Peel it this way. Get it to come off this side. Oh, missed a piece. Okay. And then over here. Okay. One more. I want to roll this backwards while we go through the toolkit so that this... Okay, cool. Got it. All right. Drills and the inventory sheet is inside. Oh, you guys, this canvas is really nice. I mean, I can see what she's, her vision has come to fruition. She's gotten what she wants. And I think she got ABs on top of it. I'm pretty sure the first kit didn't have ABs in it. Now she has 4 ABs. If that's going to be like standard, oh my goodness, that'd be amazing. All right, here's the inventory sheet. 35 colors. There's the little girl on the moon. Isn't she cute? So cute. Again, our symbols. Okay, so these are going to be our ABs. Look, we're going to have a 124 pink, 134, we had that in the other one, green, 137 is a blue, 138 is a blue. I think we had both of those as well. But this time we're going to get a pink instead of that light greenish color. No weird symbols really. Got an asterisk-y star thing. Pretty easy symbols. Okay. Oh, that one's interesting right there. Double arrow thing. All right, let's look at this toolkit. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh. These are so fun. So fun. Oh, look it. Okay, I don't know if you noticed this bag, but this bag is covered with stars and moons. Walk on the moon. It's covered with stars and moons. I tell you, everything is to the theme. I happen to have the other one here. For the puppy dog one, has flowers. Of course, why wouldn't it? The other one was all covered with flowers. Not that this one doesn't have a lot of flowers, because it does. Here's our pot that stores the cover minders. Oh man, you guys. Oh boy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I saw these when she put these on her Facebook page. Oh my gosh, I love these. I can't tell you how much I love these. This is a plastic flower star. Oh my gosh. And look at those stars. I love them. Hey, the magnet stayed on this time, Sandy. Yay! Last one, the magnets came off. But yay! Oh my gosh, look at those gold stars. Wow! And here's our little pot, all decorated, right? Keep your cover minders in there. Our diamond. I love these stars. Oh my gosh, those stars. Oh, my stars! And then what do we have in here? Our wax pot. Our wax pot. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that big old flower on the top of that thing. And then you'll notice that these are the same types of gems that were on the cover minders. Wow. And then it has bling around the outside. And I think I showed you the last time. It has like a 4-leaf flowery thing is the wax. It's like a 4-leaf flower shape. That's awesome. That's awesome. Look at it. I'm telling you, it goes right with the kit, right? Goes right with the kit. Oh my goodness. And here's the other one. Ah, there's one more, you guys. I did see this on her Facebook page, so I know kind of what's coming. It's the moon. I mean, how can you have walk on the moon without the moon, right? And the stars. Love that. You definitely have to use these cover minders when you work on the paintings, right? You have to. They're totally, I mean, look at that. And then we have a blue sparkly pen with a star. And then we have the clear one with a star. And that one even has a little pink, like rhinestone or something on there. You guys. Yeah, I can see why she has fun just doing this part. This one gets blue around the edge, all the way around. Now she does that, she says, to help you hold the tray. Okay, helps you hold it better. This is not your typical Mosfa boat either. This is a different kind. And then tweezers. So totally themed kit. Love, love, love the stars and the moon. Oh my gosh, definitely will be using those when I do the kit. And then her card. Gotta have the card. All right. Here we go. Sorry, I got the canvas stuck in my tripod. All right. Again, let's just remind you that she has gotten the serged edge to prevent fraying. Scalloped and serged. And look, I didn't do this on the last one, but look at, you can see the texture here. You can see it in this canvas. All right. It's not plasticky feeling at all. Not even, well, the front, it's softer, more flexible. It's amazing. All right, drill field while we're here. No issues. Am I right? No issues? No issues. Feet. We have feet. All right, here we go. These are big, you guys, 60 by 60. They're a good size. Look at them. Oh my. I love the bow. I love that bow. It's purples. I love the bow. Love it. Love it. Ah, so cute. Okay, Walk on the Moon. That's the name of the painting. Up at the top, Walk on the Moon. Down at the bottom, Paint Your World Beautiful. Her slogan. We have our brand up here, Bella Sephina. Recognize her by this triangle and the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Yeah. There's our symbols. all 35 colors. That's on the left. Over here on the bottom on the right, this is how we like them, right? When they're big, one top, bottom, left, right. And we get the picture, the thumbnail, and again, the key. And they're in order by DMC code. Bam. Okay, winner. Winner, winner. Sandy, you got it. Don't mess with it. I think you got it. People are going to love this. You got it. You did it. Okay, before we look this time, let me see if I can find Y's. Y's are going to be pink as far as I can tell. Okay, Y's down here in her foot. Y's over here. Y over here and through this flower. Y in this flower. These are going to be ABs. These are going to be pink all throughout these flowers. I think all the flowers have the Y. All right. 134, the percent sign. That's one I had a hard time finding last time. It's green. Okay. Right here, there's a whole cluster of them. And here. Let's see. Did we get some in the leaves up here? Yes. All of these leaves dangling off the moon are going to have some AB. AB. That's all the green. Okay. And 138 is a backwards arrow. No way. Are you serious? You guys. This like upside down backwards arrow. AB is all of this. That's a ton of AB. Everything behind her is gonna sparkle. In this flower. In this, oh my gosh, there's a ton of that one. I can hardly wait to see what color that's gonna be. Wow. Wow, that's gonna be a ton of ABs. Okay, we gotta get into these. We gotta see these. I mean, it's a huge package. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's AB right there, that huge bag. Holy cow. All right. Okay, I noticed this after I put the other one away. SD010. You can always tell your drills. SD010 is the kit number, so you can always tell what goes with it. Okay? Match them up. If they get separated, you can figure it out. Wow, what color is that? Is this the one, this great big bag? I'm just digging for this great big huge bag. 138. Yep. Look at all of those. Those are all AB. That whole background behind her and in the flowers? Seriously? That's a ton. Wow. Wow, you guys. Okay, here's some pink ones. I'm just digging for pink ones here. And it's green. I'm digging out the ABs. I'm trying anyhow. Okay, here's some more AB. Here's some more. I found all 4 colors. Not maybe all the bags of them, but I found each color. Pink AB, Aurora Borealis coating on there, in case you guys don't know. It's iridescent coating, makes it shine and sparkle, picks up other colors, reflects light, all kinds of cool stuff. There will be green. Okay, why wouldn't there be in all the leaves and everything, right? These are going to be awesome. I cannot wait to do one. And then this darker blue. Didn't even look for that one. I can only imagine. Dark blue is an X. Oh yeah, here, here, here. Over here. In all the darker blue areas. Up in here, up in here. Yeah. Okay, this is going to be loaded with ABs. Do I need to take them all out? Do I want to see them all? I mean, look at blues, greens. Again, I don't know what's going on, but we have some in bags like this and some in bags like this. I don't care as long as they're all here. Who cares? Now, it's difficult to inventory this because you don't know how many you're supposed to have of each thing, but, you know, I'm just going to assume we have them all, hope we have them all, pray we have them all. Yeah. Okay. And then look at those. Those are beautiful. 743. Think that's going to be in the moon? Let's see. Is 743 the moon? It sure is. That's your moon. That's the moon. Oh, we got some 310. Is there some 310? There's probably more. Yeah, there's more. But, wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors, you guys. Well, we need some more moon. Right? And then we got purples. Purples. We got different shades of purple. Several shades of purple. I don't know how many different ones right now, but anyhow, you guys. Oh, another bag of those. Okay, and another bag of the green, AB. You guys, it's fantastic. I'm going to kind of stop there because, you know, you kind of get the gist, right? Oh, that's one purple. That's a purple. That's the same one. That's another one. There's like 3 purples. All right. Okay. Winner. Sandy, you got to be so happy right now. Okay, you guys. If you have not been able to order a Bella Sephina kit, I know she just sent a whole bunch into production. She sent some more sparkle canvas, the Pixie Sparkle, which are her whimsical ones that, you know, those are the ones I like the most. And then her other one, the Master Artists Collection, which will be on short lint. She put some of those into production. So things are being produced. This company was fast. I'm not sure how fast they'll be this time. And I'm not sure which ones she has in production. But there's a bunch. I think she said 10, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe 4 of the short lint artist collection, 10 of the whimsical, if I'm not mistaken. So pay attention. I'm sure she's going to be putting them up for pre-sale, knowing that they're being produced and they're on their way. Right now, I know she's busy getting out these kits and the little knockoff, not what she wanted ones that she sold. So I know she's busy getting all that stuff out and probably still working on more orders. And I'm certain as soon as she has all that stuff kind of under wraps, you'll see stuff come up on her website to pre-order. And don't get all worried about pre-order. You know, it doesn't mean it's going to take forever and forever and forever. I mean, these I think we ordered in May. And we would have had them if they would have been the right canvas. But these came quick. I know when she ordered them, they came quick. I mean, a month, I think, from production to my counter. So keep going, keep visiting. And join her Facebook page. She always announces stuff on her Facebook page. Okay? So I want to do both of these, but I am going to do the puppy first. I should do this one first because I have the other one too to compare. But I'm going to do the puppy. Sorry. Got to do the puppy. Before I let you go, I do want to say I have a new member to my channel, and that is Layla Eskimos. I hope I said that right. Welcome, and we're happy to have you. I hope you enjoy being a member. If you haven't checked out memberships yet, just go look below the video. Beside the subscribe button, it says join. You can go check it out and see what I'm offering you for a few dollars a month. Yeah, so I'm so happy. These are so cute. Seeing them on the website and seeing pictures of them is nothing like seeing them here in person. Touching it, seeing it up close. I can hardly wait to put some drills on. I gotta go so I can clean up this one, and I am gonna kit up that other one. Like, I have the urge to kit like right now. Okay? So until next time, you guys, stay safe, be happy, and I'll talk to you later.